Hey guys, so today I'm filming just a little everyday get ready with me. This is my everyday look, usually what I wear on an everyday basis when I do wear makeup, and I don't want to do too much. Pretty natural. It's pretty easy to do. If you guys want to learn how to do this or just watch. No, you're already on the video. You already know. So just started off just doing my eyebrows. I conceal them with the Boing concealer. I don't use anything else but concealing my eyebrows. I didn't feel like recording it because like it's really self-explanatory. I mean, I could do like a whole eyebrow video if you guys wanted, but I don't do a lot for my brows to begin with. I'm using this Wet n Wild brush to blend out the concealer above my eyebrows just so it's not as harsh. I do like it to stand out a tiny bit just because, you know, it gives it more of a clean brow look. But right now I'm usually not that loyal to like well, I am in the sense that when I start using something, I'll use it until it's done and only that, but like I'll switch around, you know. Like I have other primers that I like too, and it's not really that like this one's so much better than any other. I just kind of just use it because I have it, and once I open it I can't use something else until I finish it. So yeah, this is the Master Primer Maybelline. It's the 400 one, so it's like the primer and base, the clear one. I like it. It reminds me of the Smashbox photo primer. So I'm putting a lot by my nose because my nose has been peeling. It's not a cute look, but whatever. So for foundation, I'm using the Anastasia Stick Foundation in Tan. I'm not really that picky with foundation. Like I am, but I'm not. Like there obviously are some foundations that I like more than others, but like I don't know. I basically bought this foundation a little while ago because I was like tan, and my favorite foundation is like that Lancome foundation. I don't remember which one it is, but that one's my favorite for my skin type. But I need a new foundation for winter, and a few years ago I was using this to travel, and I didn't want to bring any fluid foundation because it'd be really hard to like take it through customs and everything if I just want to throw it in my check-in, you know. Like I didn't want to go through my bags. You get what I'm saying? So basically I got this foundation and I actually like it. Some people don't like it. At first I wasn't sure if I liked it, but like it does the job. And it gets the job done. I'm not that picky to begin with, so I'm probably not the best person to get advice from when it comes to makeup because I kind of just work with whatever I have. I will admit like the finish is a little dry, but like I also have dry skin, so I don't think it's really like a me. I don't think it's really like a formula thing. I think it's honestly a me thing. I just realized if I was gonna wear eyeshadow, I missed my chance because I already put on my foundation. Well, I guess honestly, truthfully, I don't wear eyeshadow every day. So I guess this really is an everyday makeup tutorial. Honestly, I don't even wear makeup every day. I haven't been wearing makeup lately. I don't know if it's just the summer or if I'm just over it. I just haven't been in the mood to wear makeup as much. I do love wearing makeup just when I want to feel cute. Like today I was feeling kind of like down. I don't know. I always get like kind of emo during summer. I don't know if it's just cancer season. I don't know if... Honestly, I'm emo all year round. Let's be real here. But... Ooh, my eyebrow's itchy. Ooh. Just wanted to feel cute because I don't know, I was just like, I haven't been feeling myself in a while, so I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna start feeling myself, play some music, you know, maybe go do something. Yeah, that's what I decided to do, and that's what I'm doing. I don't have good vision. That's it. I just started trying out this concealer. I really do like it. It's like a different formula. I don't know how to explain the formula. Like, it's a little drying, but it's not. I think it's really good for my skin type because I have combination skin. So I have mostly dry skin, but patches get kind of oily. It helps not like sweat it off because of this powder finish. I feel like I'm never looking at the right spot. Like, there's a mirror behind my camera, well, my phone, because I film off my phone. Ew, I hate the way my nose piercing like shows. Like, what do I do to hide it? And my skin is pretty dry, so I don't use like face powder, but I grabbed this little beauty blender in my Fit Me powder, and I just put a little bit under my eyes, so it just sets that concealer. I really don't need this step that much because this concealer is a pretty like powdery finish. But I just do it so it doesn't crease. I really wish I didn't mess up my whole eyeshadow thing, because even though I don't wear eyeshadow every day, I wanted to do a little eyeshadow look. Maybe I'll just film an eyeshadow look, like a summer look. I was thinking something like bronzy or something with gold in it. Usually I don't know. I don't really wear that much eyeshadow on the regular, so I feel like every single time I do eyeshadow it's something different. But I usually stick to a halo eye or a half cut crease. Those are my go-tos. But I wanted to try something different that, I mean, not necessarily different because it's been done before, but like something that I don't usually do, like an actual basic, like all over the lid eyeshadow look. But whatever. That will be for a different day. I use 2 brushes for my contour. This is the Expert Face Brush by, I forgot the brand. But, you know, it's sold everywhere, you know. When you see it, you know. And then I have the Morphe E4 brush. So I love using these 2 for my contour. And I contour with my Hoola bronzer. I used to use like a whole contour palette, but this is what I do on the everyday look. For everyday looks, like obviously if I had something special to do, I'd be going off and going crazy. I'm just trying to feel snatched. I haven't heard the word snatched in so long. Yeah, I know you're not really... Like, they don't recommend using a big brush to contour your nose, but, you know, I got a big nose, so a big brush works. I'm gonna use this to blend it out a little bit. I like using this one for, like, the sharp contour. I wish my nail broke on this hand. Like, I don't really show my left hand. Okay, and then I'm gonna, yeah, I dipped it in the powder, in the bronzer just to warm up my face a little bit more. I'm just blending it out. Bring it to the temples. I honestly don't know what to expect with like posting this video. Like, I'm just gonna do it. Keep watching these little motivational shows and stuff where they say like the hardest part of doing something is just starting. So I feel like if I just release this is the music, if I just post something, you know, I'm getting the hardest part over with. Bring it down my neck. I'm gonna brush out my under eyes a little bit. And I know how I said I wasn't gonna use eyeshadow, but usually what I like to do if I want some more depth in my eyes, I'll take some of my bronzer and just put it all, like mainly on the lid, and blend it outward towards my crease. I hate my nose ring. I hate how it shows. Just go back. Ugh. It looks like I'm picking my nose. I'm really just shoving my... Okay, she better. And then it looks like a booger, and I'm like, she too much. She really is too much. Y'all win. Y'all told me that this would happen. Like, when I was getting my nose ring, my friends were like, are you sure? Like, kind of annoying. Like, and I'm like, no, I could handle it. I could handle it. I can't. Whatever. So, I got this Thrive highlighting pencil in my... It was like an Ipsy bag or something. I didn't think I was gonna like this because usually highlighting pencils are way too harsh, but this is so skinny. So what I do is I bring it in my little inner eye, like so. I'm looking above because I want to know where I'm putting it. And then on this side, I just brush on my little eyebrow highlight. And when I'm feeling really risky, I'll put a little bit on my nose bridge and just blend it outward. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty highlighter. Okay, these highlighters are good, but I don't think this is the right one for my skin tone, only because it's like really frosty and I'm really warm toned. I'm actually pretty olive toned, so I feel like this is a little too pinky for me, but I still really like it. It's the Kilowatt Duo with Lightning Dust and Crystal Fire. I use both of them. For the sake of the video, I'm going to use some setting sprays. I'm going to use... I have the Morphe continuous setting spray, or the all-nighter spray. They're both pretty much done. Okay. Maybe I'll do a spray on this one, And I'm using my Morphe M510 brush. And I'm gonna go first in Lightning Dust. It's the less bright highlighter. I'm applying some of the, but do you see what I'm saying? Like, it looks a little white on me, but I think I can pull it off. Like, I don't think it looks bad. It just takes me a second to get used to it. Once I have that much on, like on my base highlight, I put on the Fire Crystal one, which is a little bit more shimmery and a little more highlighty. So it just, ooh. Ooh. On my nose. I usually go in with another little round of bronzer. See? All better. Oh, all my eyelash curlers are messed. I don't know why all my eyelash curlers, every single one of them, the top little rubber thingy comes off and then the bottom one stays. And I know if I use this, it might like cut off my eyelashes, but I really don't care at this point. So no, that's how we coming. So I curl them a little bit. I've been using the Colossal Volume Express mascara again. I forgot how good it is. It works really good for my eyelashes. And then a little bit of my bottom eyelashes. While that's drying, because I'm so picky about the way my mascara dries, just because I hate getting like the little dots all over my face, I'm gonna use my California blush. It is super pigmented. I love blush. It makes me look like I just ran a mile. Like, I'm so happy. I love the earth. I love the world. I love the way blush makes you look now. I used to hate it back in the day because I wanted to look emotionless, just like my soul. I remember watching my grandma put blush on her forehead when I was little, and now I love that look. Put on my chin too. Now I'm gonna use the Morphe lip liner in Coffee and Kissy. This is one of my favorite lip liners. So I did a little intermission to apply my lashes and to lay my edges, put on my jewelry. So I'm wearing this necklace that has my name on it. It's from the M Jewelers. It's that popular Instagram jewelry shop. I'm gonna get more stuff because I really do like their quality. They have good sales. This one just has Emily on it. I want to get one that says Nico because I feel like Nico is more me. Emily doesn't really feel like me. Yeah, I don't remember where my lashes are from. I really like them though because they're like really fluttery. I applied this one really good. This one slacked a little, but like, yeah, she's fine. I'm wearing my Coffee and Kissy lip liner, and I just put the Lip Injections lip gloss by Too Faced over it. If you guys like this video, just let me know. Feel free to subscribe and follow all my socials down below. I'm gonna make sure to add my Instagrams, my Snapchat, and my Twitter down below. I hope you guys like my video, and if you guys want anything new or any special requests, leave that down below. I really want to make a playlist video and possibly some makeup looks, because even though it's my natural everyday look, I really do like eyeshadow, even though I didn't really go off this time. So feel free to see that. I'll go ahead and show you guys my outfit. I think I got the top from Forever 21. It's a bodysuit, and these are from Fashion Nova. They look a little see-through right now. They're from a 2-piece set. So yeah, you can kind of see my butt through the pants, but I really don't mind that much because everything that needs to be covered is covered. Nice flare at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can tell. I wish I had a better setup, but yeah, this will do for now. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you guys liked it, feel free to subscribe. I'm gonna try to make more. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and that's it. Goodbye.